Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add rainbow gradients to text in Canva. Welcome back to the channel guys, and let's get started. So your first step is make sure you have a Canva account. With your Canva account, just head over to the home section. Once you're on here, click on create at the top. Once you selected create, go through where we have create new and simply select the blank canvas to begin working on. So which is what I have done in this new tab. And now on this new tab, just go ahead and click on text and click on add a text box. So on your text box, just go in and type in something, and then you can now change the font size. You can change the fonts. You could change the font size as well. You could move it over to something like this, and then you could increase the font size to a size that you prefer and you like. Now, once everything is to your liking, all you need to do here is head over to where we have elements. So click on the elements hub and then simply use the search tool at the top to search for a rainbow gradient. So go ahead and search for rainbow gradients, and let's go with this. Now this rainbow gradient here, just go ahead and enlarge it across your image. So it's just enlarge it across your design. It's going to look something like this. And now all you need to do here, all you need to do with this is simply select the text, and where we have the text color, go ahead and select white and then reduce the transparency. So the transparency tool is at the top. Click on transparency, reduce the transparency all the way to 40 or any desirable amount. Once you've done this, all you need to do is simply click on save or share. So click on share at the top right, click on download, and then simply download it as a PNG. So let's just go ahead and click on download. So click on download and it's going to download the PNG file. Once the PNG file is done here, all you need to do is click on either add a new page or empty it out. So let's just go ahead and delete all this from here. Delete it, and then head over to uploads, click on upload file, and then select the PNG we just uploaded. Just select this and it's going to upload to your Canva. Now once it's been uploaded, click on it and it's going to appear on your screen like this. And now all you need to do is, with the help of Canva Pro, using the Canva background remover feature, you could simply remove the background. Now, if you do not have access to Canva Pro, just head over to remove.bg, click on the site, and simply upload your image and remove the background from it. And it should look something like this once you've removed it, either using remove.bg or the Canva remove tool. And then once you've selected it here, click on it again, click on edit, and then click on adjust. Scroll through till you find where we have saturation and vibrance. Increase the saturation and vibrancy and it's going to look something like this. You could even mess with some of the colors. You could adjust the colors in some of the images. So you could adjust the hue in some of it and you could have it looking something like this. And then once it's to your liking, just go ahead and click on share at the top right, click on download, and simply download it as a PNG file or a text. And now you can have this included in any of your designs. You could save it to your designs here in your projects. You could have it as a project, a standalone project here. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.